In this video, I will show you how to get all the orbs without watching any video. But before that, 95.4% of you watch my videos and get free Nitro, but only 4.4% of you have subscribed to my channel. Please make sure you do it now, after watching the video, if you want free Nitro news on time. Now, let's get started, shall we? I will teach you how to skip all the quests. But first, you need to enable the US VPN and, second, this trick only works on Chrome Discord on PC. After the VPN is enabled, refresh your Discord page. You should be able to see all the quests that are for people living in the US. The first is from Verizon. Now click watch. The video will start playing. When it does, a video player icon pops up on top right-hand side of your PC. Just drag the video frame to the end, and boom, your quest is done in just seconds. I will demonstrate again with a different quest if you didn't understand. Also, I forgot to tell you that I'm using MacBook. I don't know if you can use this trick on Windows. You can try it and let me know. But there's this thing with MacBook. The video player option for you might be at the bottom right-hand side instead of top right-hand side, so make sure you check there. And with this, we have finished 3 quests already without even watching them. In this video, I didn't do global quests like Avatar and Rivals, but the links will be available in Wikbot's tutorial video's description. We have made 2,200 orbs from these quests alone. They are enough to give you 3 days Nitro. Plus, you can even purchase these new avatar and profile decors that are just launched. Make sure to claim them on time. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. And make sure to give your love and support to my video if you like this video, since only 4.6% of you have subscribed to me. Subscribe now if you like this video and join my server for free Nitro and Orbs news.